In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate the Pinduoduo app into English, making it easier to browse and shop even if you don't read Chinese. Let's get started. First, make sure the WeChat app is installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Open the app and log in to your WeChat account. Once you are signed in, tap on the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Pinduoduo and look for the official account. It usually has a recognizable logo or a registration icon. Tap on it to open the profile page. Now, when you are inside the app, locate the three dots in the top right corner. This opens a menu with additional settings. Now, just scroll through these options and click on this translate button. And as you can see, it's now translating, and within some few minutes, you'll have it translated to English. And yeah, that's it. If you frequently shop on Pinduoduo, consider setting up a browser version on your desktop using Google Chrome, which automatically translates entire web pages into English. It makes navigation much easier and more user-friendly. And that's it, your gateway to using Pinduoduo in English. Thanks for watching this video.